Before you can schedule a Google Sheet sync, you need to create and schedule a transform. For more information on how to do that, check out the scheduling a transform video or documentation separately. Right now, we have it already open. In addition, you're going to want to open up the Google Sheet that you want to sync the data to. It can be a completely new Google Sheet, or it can be one that already has existing data in it. All that matters is that you have sharing permission. From here, go to the Sheet Sync tab. Click Add Destination in the top right corner. Now follow the instructions. Copy this. Share the document with that page. Copy the URL. Paste it. Give a name to this tab you want synced. You can also choose to order by a column or not. Click Save. Now, every time your transform runs, your Google Sheet will sync as well. So be sure to schedule the transform on a cadence that fits your desired Google Sheet sync rate. Here we go.